Hello viewers, welcome to Adbandhan YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make Swiss electrical wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. DP-MCB circuit breaker, RCBO circuit breaker, night lamp, switch 1, switch 2. Phase connection input to DP-MCB, neutral connection input to DP-MCB. Phase connection output from DP-MCB to connect RCBO. Neutral connection from DP-MCB to connect RCBO. Phase connection from RCBO to connect switch 2. Output connection from switch 2 to connect switch 1. Another output connection from switch 1 to connect night lamp. Neutral connection from RCBO to connect night lamp. Now this circuit is ready for use. Viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.